Right, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add an additional account, additional email address to your Gmail account. So right now I have demo@infonet.com, and I want to add the ability to send and receive emails using demo@churchbuzz.org. There's a number of different reasons why you might want to do this. It's a good way to consolidate your email addresses into one Gmail account. You can use Gmail to pull in email from POP3 mailboxes and things like that. And you may want to use some of those other email accounts, or you may have just set up a new domain alias on your infonet.com Gmail hosted account using a new domain name. And so now you want to set up your emails so that you can send out using that new domain name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go click on the gear icon here and then click on settings. And I'm going to click on accounts here. And so on this tab, you're going to see any of the email addresses that you have configured in Gmail to send mail as, okay? And so right now you just see, this is my demo@infonet.com account. What I'm going to do is click on add another email address that you own. It's going to pop up a window like this. And in this case, what I want to do is set up a new email address called demo@churchbuzz.org, okay? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and click on next step. And then it's going to say, hey, before we can use this, we have to verify that you actually do own this email address. So they want to send you a verification email. So you're going to click on send verification and then just close this window. You'll notice that the new email address has been added to this list here, but over here it says unverified. So that means we can't actually use it yet. All right. And then we're going to go back to our inbox. Sorry, we're going to go back to our inbox over here and wait for this verification email to show up. Okay, and then we're going to hit the refresh button here. And here we see the this is the email coming from Google to verify this email address. So it's telling us you've requested to add this email address. You just want to look for this link down here and go ahead and click on this link. You'll get a message that says something like this: the Gmail user may now send email as demo@churchbuzz, that new email address that I'm trying to configure. So I'm going to go ahead and close this tab and then go back into my settings and go back to accounts. And you'll notice now that the unverified is gone, but now there's a new option here called make default. So this is now a valid email address. And let me just show you. If I go back to, well, if I go to compose, what you'll see here is the from email address. It still says demo@infonet, but if I click on it, now I have the option of using demo@churchbuzz. Okay, so now I actually have two different accounts that I can use here. You can actually add as many accounts as you want. In my primary mailbox, I have like 20. So anyways, but what if you want to now use this address as your default from now on? You don't want to use the old one anymore. So that's what that make default is. So this link right here, if you just click on this to make it default, now this is your default email address. And when I click on compose, you'll see now it says from demo@churchbuzz.org. So that's all you have to do to use your new account. But just keep in mind, you will still have to log in to Gmail using the same email address that, the original email address where this account was created. You can't log in using the demo@churchbuzz.org. This is just like an alias and doesn't really count as an account. It's not really a Google account per se. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be glad to help. Thanks.